Why minimalism helps in kids' spaces?
Embracing minimalism in children's rooms reduces clutter, making it easier for kids to play and get dressed, while teaching them responsibility for their belongings. A tidy environment encourages creativity and focus. With fewer, more meaningful items, children are less overwhelmed and more likely to care for what they have. Minimalist organization helps families spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying each other.
Decluttering together, the first step.
Involve your child in sorting their toys and clothes. Work together to decide which items are favorites, which are no longer used, and what can be donated or passed down. This teaches valuable decision-making skills while ensuring their space reflects their current interests. Set aside sentimental items if needed, but focus on keeping only what is truly wanted and used.
Simple storage solutions for toys.
Use open bins and low shelves to make toys easy to access and put away. Store similar items together, like puzzles in one basket and plush animals in another. Limit the number of toys available at one time by rotating them regularly. This keeps play experiences fresh and maintains a sense of order without overwhelming your child.
Organizing clothes the minimalist way.
Choose a small number of versatile, season-appropriate clothes that your child actually wears. Arrange them in drawers or on hangers within easy reach, encouraging independence. Use drawer dividers or baskets to keep categories like socks and shirts separate. Donate or store outgrown items right away to avoid unnecessary buildup and confusion.
Maintaining organization with easy habits.
Make tidying up part of your child's routine. Use simple systems like labeling bins with words or pictures to reinforce where things belong. Regularly review and edit items together as your child's needs and interests change. By nurturing simple organizational habits early, you're setting your child up for lifelong skills and a calmer, happier space.